Yeah, Britt, you're great. You find my sneezing that funny?
You were like, achoo!
You know what? You suck, Britt.
Oh,
I'm still recording this.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
You should have recorded you sneezing.
I was gonna know I was gonna sneeze.
You were like, achoo!
It's great. Now the way I sneeze is funny.
Did you not think that's what you're like?
I don't think the way I sneeze is funny.
You're like, achoo! Like, what was that? Was that the aftermath?
Yeah. I wheeze after I sneeze.
So what happens if you sneeze like 5 times in a row?
I guess I go. I'll sound like a really big person at SeaWorld to take 2 steps. I can't make it to Shamu. I'd be breathing like those people that get beat like Jesus.
Ah! Baby like Jesus! I'm going out. You should not be recording. What's that? That's a hair thing around my chair.
What was the other thing?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
The password is Uncle. Uncle! Uncle!
I said Uncle! No.
I said Uncle already.
Hello, this is Bob. How may I help?
Beat me like Jesus, bitch.
No! Oh! We should watch some videos that we made. They're funny as hell.
This is funny.
I'm gonna make a sex video.
Wanna make a sex video?
Yeah.
We should do that.
We should.
We should.
Where's the whip?
I don't know.
Alright,
get the chains.
Exactly.
Fucking hang me like Jesus and beat me. Oh, that was bad.
I'm going to hell.
I'm going to hell. I'm going to hell. And people are gonna see this. I'm gonna be like, what the fuck?
Like, hi.
Alright, well, you know what, guys? We're gonna beat each other like Jesus. Code word is Uncle. And yeah, bye.